Hi, it's Brian Kelleher with Keller Williams Realty. How much do you need to have saved up for a down payment when you're purchasing a new home? Well, let's talk about this, so stick around. There's a long-running misconception in real estate that you need to have 20% of your purchase price saved up for a down payment when you're buying a home. And this isn't really the case. In some cases, it may be stipulated by your loan type or your loan officer that you need to have 20% down, but in most cases, that's not the case. In fact, most home buyers in the United States put about 15% down, and most first-time home buyers put about 8% down for their down payment. So certainly less than 20%, and in most cases, it's going to be dictated by your loan type. So for instance, Veterans Administration loans and USDA loans, they don't require a down payment. They're 0% down. FHA loans, you can do as little as 3.5% down. And conventional loans, you can even go down to 3% for a down payment. So certainly not 20%. And while in some cases, it might be a good financial decision to put 20% down and avoid what we call mortgage insurance, it's not always affordable and feasible for everybody to do that. And quite often people will ask, well, should I wait and save up that 20% for my down payment? And that could be a good idea, but depending on how long it's going to take you to save that 20%, it could work against you because at the same time you're saving that 20%, home prices are probably rising. The consensus is that home prices are going to continue to rise over the next few years. And so you may end up paying more for that home that you're saving your 20% down for, and it could end up costing you more in the long run. The bottom line is you don't need to have 20% down for your down payment. And the best advice is to talk to your loan officer about what you need for your down payment. If you're thinking about purchasing a home in the next couple of years, reach out to us. We can certainly recommend some local lenders that you could talk to and work with. And in the meantime, if you have any questions about any of this that we can help with, shoot me an email or a text. In the meantime, thanks for tuning in and stay in touch.